Yeah, if I'm looking at the things that are the best opportunities in Semantic Link Labs, it's all around the Vertipack Analyzer. So that's really a good, useful tool. I'm also thinking that it is a lot of the automation things around getting data out. Vertipack Analyzers there, Business Practice Analyzer, those are available to us. Doing things in bulk there, super useful. I'm finding a lot of value in complex refresh patterns inside semantic models. So which partition to refresh? When your models get really large, I like using semantic link to automate more of the model experiences and automate more of the how to very strategically refresh these models. Typically, this is all done in like PowerShell or other scripting things. If I can just, so think of it this way, I have a pipeline. I'm going to load some data into a table. That data is now being loaded into semantic models, but if that data is really large, if we're talking about big data stuff, you don't want to refresh the whole thing. It's just too much. So what you can do now in the pipeline is run your loading process, copy the data, and then at the end of it, you can execute a notebook that then does the fancy refreshing policy that you may need. Again, you're now at the place where you're optimizing your model. You're bringing costs down because I don't want to refresh the entire model all the time. There's a whole bunch of automation things here that I think really make this incredibly powerful. So it's to me, if you're an admin of anything Power BI, 100%, you better be learning Semantic Link Labs. It will make your life 100% easier. It will simplify a lot of the mundane tasks you've already been doing. And I think, Jake in the comments here is making a really good point. This Semantic Link Labs is like that stick sometimes that you need to beat the developers over the head with, hey, you're not doing this right? Either you automate this and you start sucking out the data in mass, and then you can now go back and have the conversation with, hey, your model doesn't conform to our best business practice analyzer. Right. Hey, your model is getting too large. Hey, these are proactive things you could use that's going to help you make everything easier to work with in Power BI or even Fabric for that matter.